Imagine waking up, and the news says Earth is on a collision course with Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, a gas giant so big it could fit over 1,300 Earths inside it. This is not just bad news, this is cosmic doomsday. What happens next will blow your mind. First, let's get something straight. Jupiter is a gas giant, not a solid planet. So when Earth hits it, it's not like smashing into a rock. Instead, we dive straight into its thick atmosphere, like a spaceship plunging into a never-ending storm. As we approach, Jupiter's gravity grabs us like a cosmic magnet. It's 318 times more massive than Earth. The pull would distort our planet, triggering mega earthquakes and tsunamis before we even touch its atmosphere. And when we do, the heat and pressure will rise to unimaginable levels. Once inside, sunlight disappears. You're surrounded by a storm system bigger than Earth itself, the Great Red Spot. The deeper we go, the pressure crushes everything. Oceans vaporized, mountains flattened, cities gone. Even Neo wouldn't survive this one. Scientists aren't even sure if Jupiter has a solid core. If it does, we'd crash into it at tens of thousands of kilometers per hour. Instant vaporization. If not, we'd sink endlessly into a hot, metallic ocean of hydrogen, where the pressure is so extreme, atoms themselves are crushed. Either way, Earth is gone, swallowed by the giant of our solar system. Jupiter, barely a scratch. The universe moves on. But hey, at least Neo will tell the story in another universe.